I done been at the bottom with no pot to piss it, but there wasn't ain't shit that was stopping this kid. I just kept my head up and said fuck opinions. A kid with a dream on the road to riches. I done been suicidal with a gun in my hand, and I'd fucking be dead if it weren't for fans. Ain't a thing that can stand in the way of my plan. Every second working hard, becoming a better man. Every day that you're alive is a blessing. You ain't alone if you...
Lahko bi vam govoril pol ure o tem, kaj te dogaja. Ampak tako bom povedal, zbrali smo se na Green Skate Sessionu, Green Skate Slovenija 2015, tukaj nas je ene 100 komadov, minus 50, ki niso prišli, največje število udeležencev do zdaj. To je torej tretjič, kar delamo to v Sloveniji. Folk obvlada, imamo se fajn, kruzamo.
Every day I ask the question what I'm doing. Sometimes I feel like quitting, but I fucking keep it moving. I'ma be a legend and I guarantee I prove it. I think I'm going insane, I hope that I don't lose my mind. I need a sign from God to tell me I'm fine. I'm doing it for the love, they doing it for the vine. I'm doing it for my family, do it for dollar signs. My mama got fired, so you know I'm on my grind. Fucking 9 to 5.
Prišli smo do Portoroža, tle smo se malo poslajdali, pojedli sendviče, da bomo šli do morja, da ste Mariborčani videli morje, ne.
Now rapping just a blow, now rapping for these hoes. I do it for the soul, I do it to inspire and to give people hope. If it wasn't for rap, I would be hanging from the road, motherfucker.
Super, ker imam novo čelado. Ne, drugače mi je pa odlično, odlično. In upam, da bo še kdaj.
Kako se počutiš danes tukaj?
Daj glas. Daj glas.